Forget everything you thought you knew about delicious. We're talking about Vietnam, where every street corner is a five-star restaurant and every vendor is a culinary maestro. Seriously, if you haven't tasted the magic happening on these streets, you're missing out big time. From Hanoi's bustling alleys to the chaotic charm of Ho Chi Minh City and the ancient beauty of Hoi An, this isn't just food, it's an experience. Get ready for a sensory overload, the sizzle, the aroma, the sheer joy of it all. This is Vietnam street food, and it's about to blow your mind. First up, the undisputed champion, pho. But wait, it's not just one pho. In Hanoi, you get the classic, clear, deeply savory broth, often with thinly sliced beef or chicken. It's delicate, refined, and utterly comforting. Head south to Ho Chi Minh City, and bam. Pho gets a glow up. More herbs, more garnishes, often sweeter, and spicier. Each bowl is a symphony of flavors, built on hours of simmering bone broth, fresh herbs, and perfectly tender noodles. It's truly incredible how two cities can make the same dish feel so different yet equally iconic. Get ready to slurp. Next, let's talk about banh mi. Forget everything you thought you knew about sandwiches, because this one just changed the game. It's a crispy, airy baguette, a delicious legacy from French colonial times, loaded with pure Vietnamese magic. Think savory grilled pork, pâté, pickled carrots and daikon, fresh cilantro, and a kick of chili, all layered together in perfect harmony. It's crunchy, it's fresh, it's spicy, it's meaty, it's veggie, it's everything. You can find endless variations across the country, each vendor putting their own spin on this iconic street food hero. My taste buds are already tingling. Now, if you're in Hanoi, you absolutely, positively cannot miss bun cha. This dish is pure, unadulterated grilled perfection. Picture this, perfectly seasoned, succulent grilled pork patties and slices of pork belly, sizzling over charcoal until caramelized. They're served in a shallow bowl of sweet, sour, and savory dipping sauce, alongside a mountain of fresh vermicelli noodles and a vibrant basket of fresh herbs. You dip the grilled pork and noodles into the sauce, pile on the herbs, and boom, an explosion of flavor in every single bite. It's fresh, it's smoky, it's tangy, it's legendary. Leaving the big cities for a moment, let's wander into the enchanting, lantern-lit streets of Hoi An. This ancient town isn't just about beautiful architecture, it's a culinary treasure trove. While you'll find banh mi here too, keep an eye out for local specialties like chow lao, thick, chewy noodles served with slices of pork, local greens, and crispy croutons, all bathed in a minimal, intensely flavorful broth. Or how about white rose dumplings? Delicate, translucent parcels filled with shrimp, steamed to perfection. Every dish tells a story, steeped in history and local tradition. It's a truly magical food experience. But it's not just the ingredients, it's the show. Watching these street vendors work is like witnessing a live cooking masterclass. The precision, the speed, the effortless artistry. From the rhythmic chopping of herbs to the fiery dance of wok cooking, every movement is deliberate. Grilling over open charcoal, expertly flipping skewers of sauté or slices of pork. The careful preparation of fresh noodles, stretched and pulled right before your eyes. This isn't fast food, it's fast, fresh, artisan food, perfected over generations. Their passion is palpable, and it translates directly into every single incredible bite you take. So, what makes Vietnamese street food so addictive? It's all about the balance, folks. The perfect interplay of sweet, sour, salty, spicy, and umami. Think the tangy lime and fiery chili in a dipping sauce, perfectly cut by the sweetness of palm sugar. The savory depth of fish sauce, balanced with fresh herbs. Every dish is a delicate dance, hitting all those taste receptors in just the right way. It's complex, yet utterly harmonious. This isn't just cooking, it's flavor alchemy, and these vendors are true magicians turning simple ingredients into pure gold. It's pure genius. Alright, so pho, banh mi, and bun cha are essential, but don't stop there. The street food scene is a treasure hunt. Look out for banh xeo, a crispy, savory pancake filled with shrimp, pork, and bean sprouts, wrapped in lettuce and dipped in sauce. Or com tam, broken rice, served with grilled pork, a fried egg, and savory sauces, a true comfort food. Every region, every city, every vendor has something unique waiting to surprise your palate. Be adventurous. Ask locals. You never know what incredible, hidden gem you'll stumble upon. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you for it. Seriously, if this video hasn't made you book a flight to Vietnam, I don't know what will. The street food here isn't just about eating, it's about experiencing the culture, the people, the incredible passion that goes into every single dish. From the vibrant energy of Hanoi to the historic charm of Hoi An and the bustling streets of Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam offers a culinary journey unlike any other. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, bring your appetite, and get ready for the most delicious adventure of your life. You absolutely have to try this.